everyone, welcome to a new video. We are in Limerick. We arrived here late in the night yesterday. It was quite an adventure getting here, but we are finally here and we are going for a very exciting adventure today to explore Cliffs of Moher, also going to the Aran Islands and some villages along the way, exploring west coast of Ireland, so that will be really exciting. I have booked a tour through the company called Viator. I paid approximately £45 per person for this trip, which is really good because it's a 10-hour trip and I really cannot wait. I'm going to go grab some coffee and we should be on the way. We are here in beautiful Ireland. So I am at the pickup point. It's 8 AM in the morning and it's so nice to get a glimpse of River Shannon first thing in the morning. Soon we were driving outside of Limerick. We picked up few more people along the way and headed straight to Dublin. It was a lovely drive through some beautiful little towns and country roads. I really enjoy days like this when you set out on your adventure and all you have to do is sit back, relax and let the day unfold. It's so nice to see the houses and the shops beautifully decorated in different colors. The tour guide told us that soon we would be taking a coffee break and I really needed another cup of coffee. So we have made a quick stop for coffee here in Dublin. And this is my coffee. And there is a beautiful mountain here in the background. So look at the cows grazing at the top of the hill. After a nice coffee break, we headed to Dublin Port, where we would take a ferry to go to Aran Islands. So we are here at the ferry port in Dublin. We are going to take a ferry to go to Aran Island and it's going to take approximately 20 to 25 minutes in the ferry. And the weather is great, so that's lovely. So this is a ferry to Inisher. So we are on the ferry now. It will leave at 11 o'clock and then we have 2 hours on the Aran Island. And we need to take the ferry back at 1:45 in the afternoon. So the tour guide gave us a really good tip to get on the ferry quite early to get a good spot, and I think I've got a great spot and it looks like ferry is absolutely full and there are still some people coming. We are moving! Bye bye Dublin! So those hexagon rocks, they look like the same rocks that are in Giant's Causeway. Yeah, we are sailing on the choppy Atlantic Ocean. Well, it's not too choppy actually. A short ferry ride later, we arrived in Inisher, which is one of the 3 Aran Islands. This is one of the smallest islands compared to the other 2. We are in Inisher. The other islands are called Inishmore and Inishmore. Oh my god! Look at this! Hello! Hello! You can actually go on a horse ride and they will show you all around the island, or you can hire a bike. So there are a few options to get around the island. We are on Aran Island. And the first thing we are going to do is walk around the island and maybe get something to eat. Oh my god, there is another horse here. Look. Hello. Hello, horsey. Hello. Hello. What's up? You're so cute. Hey, horsey, have a lovely day. Bye. We decided to go into the first pub that we saw on the island. So we are going into this pub for something to eat. It was an interesting experience to be in the Irish pub in Ireland, because I've been to Irish pub in many different countries, but it was nice to be in Ireland. So someone's got Guinness for breakfast, and that's definitely the right thing to do in Ireland. And I've got some coffee. We really enjoyed a nice leek and potato soup with a slice of bread and some chips. So we have just had our lunch or brunch, shall we say, and we are going for a little walk around the island. It's so quiet and peaceful here. When you live in a busy city, sometimes it's hard to believe that some people actually live in remote yet tranquil places like this. So this, look at this horse. He's chilled out. It's a perfect day for him. Some of the staff who worked at the pub told us that they live on the island during summers as they get jobs working in the pub. And I think what a beautiful place to spend a summer on an island like this. If you're coming to the west coast of Ireland, and if you have limited time, it's definitely ideal to get the tour, simply because they will take you to the best places, and they will also give you good information about the local history and culture. So tour guide on our trip has told us quite a few interesting things. Some things about back from 1800s, about the potato famine, then the recent history over the last 100 years of Ireland and its relationship with Britain, and also he told us some interesting stories about the ferries. So on this island, some people still speak the Gaelic language, which is the Irish language, which is really interesting to find out. So it's been a really good trip so far, and I'm looking forward to the Cliffs of Moher. But before we go to Cliffs of Moher, I need a little nap. It was so nice to relax for a few minutes, enjoying the sunshine and listening to the waves before heading back. So we are going back to the ferry now. So they're going to now take us to Cliffs of Moher. So busy today. Soon we arrived at Cliffs of Moher. So first we would see the cliffs from the ferry before heading at the top of the cliffs. It was definitely an interesting experience to be able to see the cliffs from so close up. Look at these brave people. After we got off the ferry, we drove to the top of the cliffs to be able to see the cliffs from above. So we are at the Cliffs of Moher now, so we are walking up so we can get the views from above. It was a really steep walk up to the cliffs, and it was so windy as well, but the weather was nice, so that was good. We have been so lucky with the weather today, because I've seen some other videos where people have visited the Cliffs of Moher and it was raining and windy, but I feel really lucky that the weather is great today. And the views from above are absolutely spectacular. We are back on the bus now, heading back to Limerick, and half of us have fallen asleep. After Cliffs of Moher, we drove straight back to Limerick. It's around 6:30 in the evening now, and today was a complete success. The views from Cliffs of Moher are absolutely spectacular, and Aran Island is such a beautiful place to visit as well. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. So if you haven't already, please subscribe and turn the notifications on so you won't miss my next video. Also, please like and comment on the video, as it really supports my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.